King join back with another video. Peace, love, and high vibrations. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Man, these bots, they just do the most dumbest shit, man. They set the fire alarm off 4 o'clock in the morning. Just on some dumb shit. It's raining outside. They just do dumb ass shit, man. I mean, just stupid ass shit, man. I mean, I usually get up about between 4 and 5 anyway. You know what I'm saying? But to some fucking fire alarm in my ear loud as fuck though, man. Shit crazy, man. The extent they go to, you know what I'm saying? They will wake everybody up in the building just to fuck with me, man. Just to fuck with me. Just to fucking torture me with noise campaign and shit, man. It's ridiculous the extent that these people go to, man, to make your life a living fucking hell, bro. I'll be like, damn, when this shit gonna end, man? And then I don't even know, like, if this shit do stop. How would I know? And how would I maintain a normal life after this shit? Because I've been sensitized to so much shit. You know what I'm saying? So if the shit do ever just stop, how would I actually know it really stopped? Because I might still be looking at motherfuckers like, man, you's a fucking bot. You know what I'm saying? Because they got my head so fucked up. You know what I'm saying? I'm sensitized to the color red. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking arm fatigue and shit. It's just a whole lot, man. Man, I ain't even want to go in the gym this morning, man. Because, you know what I'm saying, they know when you going in there and shit. Man, I go in the gym this morning. I walk in there, it's a motherfucking bot in there with all red on. Every time I want to come to the gym, it's always a brainless bot. I'm like, man, they sent this nigga in here because they knew I was coming, man. They knew that shit, bro. They do little stupid ass shit like that, bro, just to irritate you, bro. They do shit like that, man. It really get on my nerves, man. It really do. Y'all let me know in the comment section if this shit ever stopped for you. Were you able to just lead a normal life? You know what I'm saying? Stay calm, cool, and collected. Peace.